Hello guys, today I'm with Samsung Galaxy M30s and I'm gonna show you how to download and install TFT mobile. So for the first we have to go to the link in the description, and I just did it, so I will be zoom a little bit this screen, and this is the button we have to press, and this is the download anyway, so press it and now press again download. We have to wait a little bit. Okay, now tap on the open, install, and open again. So this is our TFT mobile APK for Android, and in case just remember that this is unofficial APK. The source is not from the Riot Games or from the Google Play Store, so remember that you always take a risk. So if something goes wrong with your phone, that is your issue. Remember this. So now just press on the Riot account. And very important thing is to choose the available region, and this is for now only the EU Nordic East and the Oceania. So I go with EU Nordic East, and this is my username and the password, and now just press on the red dot to log in. And this is term of the service, privacy notice and other stuff. Just press OK. And we have to download the new available patch, so press on this marker. And now we have to wait a few moments. Okay, so that's it. That's how it looks. So just to show you that it works, I will go for the tutorial game. Oh, as you can see, it's a very limited beta version, and not everything works properly. So maybe I can go for the normal game. Okay, I can't play normal game, and now I just can't play anything. So that's not good, because it works a few minutes ago, and I don't know really what happened, but wait a minute, I will just turn it off and turn it on again. Maybe it's, want some kind of bug, because it's beta version. So turn on again. Okay, maybe now just press play normal. Okay, so now it works. And we are in the queue, so we have to wait for other players, and match is found, so just accept it. And now waiting for other players. And it looks pretty the same like the PC version. Loading screen also, and the only difference is in the game, when you want to buy the characters, the splash art's like a little bit awkward, because it looks like 10 years ago, so really old. But as I said, it's early beta, so probably in the March they will just change it. And now of course we have to wait for the other players until the 100% on the loading screen. And as you can see, our game is on, and we can just choose the champ, and it of course works. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if I help you, please leave likes, subs, and of course comment below. And if you have any questions, you can visit our website HardReset.Info. You can check the frequently asked questions. We have few articles about TFT mobile and of course other mobile devices stuff. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.